Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think it's been a month now I've been talking about collagen all this while. Yes, I think collagen is one of the basic important nutrients a woman or a man needs to enhance his or her beauty. So I think collagen is a lifestyle. It's a whole lifestyle that when you try to start doing it, you are going to enhance your beauty naturally and you wouldn't need to use any chemicals or try to change your beauty thoroughly. So over the past week I've been talking about what is collagen, the benefits of collagen, how we lose collagen as we age. Today I'm going to share with you how we can restore collagen in our bodies. Before that, if you are new over here, kindly try as much as possible to subscribe down below, to like, to comment, and also to share if you can. Yes, I really need this. I think I have to brief you guys on our previous lessons. Well, collagen is a type of protein. Yes, a type of protein that's made up of amino acids, and these amino acids are found in our bodies from our head to our toe. You can best promise there are so many amino acids that come together to form collagens in our bodies. Well, collagen takes care of our skin, our hair, our ligaments, our tendons, our bones, our joints, and our gut health. Well, the benefits of collagen is mostly seen in our hair, our skin, and our nails. Yes, people normally think it's just for these things, but collagen does more than that because it comes in types and then it has to be in its right proportions for them to work hand in hand. And also, as we age, we lose collagen. We walk through the sun, through our daily life activities, the creams and pomades we use, the kinds of foods we eat, the toxins that get into our systems. We lose collagen throughout. So today I want to share with you guys how you can restore collagen in your body naturally. I don't know whether I should use the word naturally because naturally doesn't always mean safe, and I've mentioned it before in my previous video when I was talking about dietary supplements. So you should always be cautious when you are using something that says natural. It could be natural, yes, but the safety aspect of it could be the first and most efficient way to restore your collagen is through your diet. My dear, no matter what you do, it all boils down to what you are putting here, the one that you are taking inside, what you are eating. Yes, so your diet is very, very important. To restore collagen in your body, try as much as possible to get more protein, more vitamin C, avoid sugars, eat at the right times. All these contribute to the body, and then these contributions to the body is supposed to be done in the right way so that when it gets there, it can do what it's supposed to do. Let me tell you something. You can try as much as possible to say that you want to lose weight. You take all the detox tea, all the exercise you would do, but when it comes to what you eat, the time you eat and how you eat it, that is the major problem. You can do all these things, and the moment you go back to the diet you were already on, you relapse. You go back to how you were looking and you'll be surprised. You'll be like, oh, these supplements or these exercises are not working. No, it is you. It is this one. It is not working. The mouth. It's not working for you. The way you are eating is not working for you. You have to change it. And then this sugar I'm talking about, you see, sugar is very harmful. What I've realized is that everything that you eat that is sweet is not good for the body. That is one thing. Reduce your sugars. I think most of us don't know what sugar actually does to the body. Let me give you a layman's explanation. I'm going to try as much as possible. You know, these carbohydrates we eat and so many other things that we eat, other nutrients that we eat, but when they get into the body, they end up being glucose. They end up becoming sugar at the end product. So let's say you are taking more of carbohydrates and you're also taking more of sugar. What it does is that sugar causes your insulin to rise, and then when the insulin rises, it makes the body inflamed. That's the inflammatory aspect of our bodies. And then when it happens in that manner, it breaks down the valuable proteins, as in the more important proteins in the body. Those important proteins are destroyed. So those proteins, the important ones that are very good for the bodies, they can't stand the sugars. The sugars destroy them. It's like it's too much in the system, so it breaks those ones down. It doesn't make it useful in the body. So I don't know, I'm not a science student, so I'm not a doctor, but at least this is the little explanation I can give. The sugar causes lots of harm, so please reduce your sugars. Already lots of things that we are eating that are not in the physical sugar form are causing so much harm, not to talk about you taking in the physical ones too. So please reduce your sugars, increase your intake of vitamin C, and your green leafy vegetables, and also your proteins. Try as much as possible to be taking foods that are rich in protein, something like beans, eggs, fish protein. All these things are very, very important proteins that helps to keep the body and the surfaces of our skin elastic. In addition to the diet, eating what is good for the body, you can also decide to supplement your diet with a dietary supplement that is full of protein and then collagen nutrients. Well, this is something that you should be careful about. You should carefully select what you are going to use to supplement your diet. It's not every dietary supplement that is written natural that is natural. You have to consult a doctor or a health practitioner or anybody in the health field. Aside that, you can also go the long way to do some research about it and to know whether it is good for you at that point in time. Yes. And then there are also some foods that you use to supplement, which is taking in more orange juice. There is guava, there is a chicken bone. There are so many other sources of collagen that you can use to supplement your diet. And then dietary supplements should also be something that you consider in the last aspect. Aside making sure you are having a very good diet, the next major thing is staying hydrated. That is water. When I'm in my shop, I try as much as possible to drink 3 of these in a day. And then when I go home, I think throughout my sleep, I even get up to drink more water. Yes, water is very, very essential. It helps everything in the system to flow. Like, we are made up of, I think, 70% of water, and we've been hearing this since we were children. Why don't you guys just like drinking water? See, if you want to try an experiment on yourself to see whether you are drinking more water or not, when you pee, just look at your pee before you flush it. In fact, some people have the orange, some people have the Savlon urine. If I say Savlon, the Dettol that's used for the bathing of kids is like orange, reddish. In fact, sometimes some people come to my shop here and they use my washroom, and then when they leave, I'm like, who came to pee? Like, the pee is like there's blood in it, like it's red. Please drink water, drink more water. The collagens in our bodies, they can't stay in our bodies for long, but the thing that they can do with the water binds more with the water and helps the body to naturally condition itself to soothe the skin. So it makes the skin more moisturized, it increases the hydration in the skin, and it keeps you looking younger and fresh. Aside that, you all know water has so many benefits. I mean, drink your water and mind your business. So fresh. Another thing that helps us to restore collagen in our bodies, especially on the surface of our skin, is massages. You always have to make sure you massage your skins. I think these Asians, they are very, very particular with this kind of massage. They do it a lot, and you could see they don't actually seem to grow old. They are eating more of the chicken bone, that thing inside the chicken bone. No, it's rich in collagen. Trust me, it's a very, very good source of collagen. So these Asians normally do this. They have these facial massages just to make sure that the fine lines and the wrinkles are being massaged over time, so that the circulation of blood in those areas could be continuous. Sometimes the way your facial structure is, maybe if you're always talking and you're like meaning this part, sometimes the blood circulation over there moves. I don't know whether it's going to be moving in one way or it's going to be stagnant, but as you do this, and then there are so many other ways. I think upcoming videos I would show you guys how to actually massage some parts of their bodies to restore more collagen in their skin. Another thing that I would like to talk about, I think apart from these major 2 or is it 3 things about diet, most of it was about diet, is the most important thing when you want to restore your collagen. Yes, but the thing is, the diets we are even eating, how do we even know the foods that we are eating they end up becoming collagen in our bodies? That's the thing. That's why you see sometimes these white people, they have times that they will just be eating eggs, like so much eggs. It's not because they like eggs too much, but sometimes because they feel it's been a while and I have to restore so much of the egg protein in my body. Sometimes they go for orange juice throughout the week. They eat guava, they eat so many things. Like, get the variety of the natural goodies, and stop the sugar, the ice creams. Those ones is just a one day something. Once in a blue moon you can get that. So with all these that I've said, there are some things that you shouldn't also do. That is the sugar aspect. Avoid the sugars. Avoid so much of the sugar. This sugar thing is very important to me. I would make a video about sugar, telling you all the importance and the negative aspects of sugar. Another thing is avoid smoking. Avoid smoking. Avoid shisha. All these things, trust me, it goes more than just making you lose your collagen. Yes. And then have enough rest. Hey, some people don't sleep well. Me for instance, at times sleeping is one of my major problems, but try as much as possible to get a very good sleep, even if it's within 5 hours or 6 hours. Make sure your sleep is uninterrupted. Make sure you've had a good bath. Make sure you've had maybe a good massage, and then just relax and then sleep. That also helps a lot. Relax the body, drink water, and mind your business. If you're new over here, kindly try as much as possible to subscribe down below, to like, and also to comment. I'll be back here next week. I think this last week I couldn't post a video. I'm sorry guys, I'm very sorry. I promise to be so consistent. So expect me next week with another promising video, but for now it's a bye bye.